Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the currency settings in Bright. Using the right currency helps you to track spendings and savings accurately. Here's how to change your currency settings in the Bright app. Open the Bright app and log into your account, and then tap your profile icon or just go to the settings tab on the bottom navigation bar. Scroll until you find currency settings or regional preferences. Tap the currency option. You're gonna see a list of supported currencies like USD, euros, pounds, and more. So just select your preferred currency by tapping on it. A confirmation prompt may appear, so just hit confirm or apply. Your account will instantly update, and all financial information that includes balances, goals, and transactions will now display in your chosen currency. This setting is especially useful if you're traveling, you're living abroad, or you're managing international finances. And you can always change it again anytime in just a few taps. If this tip helps, then make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Bright personalization tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.